Hello and welcome. If you are watching this video right now, that means you are interested in renting an instrument from Music and Arts through the Lafayette Elementary School Band Program. My name is Morgan Brockman, and I'm going to walk you through that process right now and hopefully answer most of your questions so that you can have a good idea of how to set this up. So in the email today that I sent out that has this video, you're also going to get this rapid rentals form from Music and Arts. You can use the QR code, or if you're on a desktop like I am, you can just click on the link. It's going to redirect you to the Music and Arts page, but it will have everything all ready to go for what we're expecting you to get at Lafayette. What grade is this student will be the first question asked, third, fourth, or fifth. I'm going to go ahead and click third because I know we have a lot of new third graders this year, and hit the next button. Next, what instrument will they be playing? Third grade is allowed to play flute, clarinet, trumpet, and trombone. Alto sax is for fourth and fifth grade. Same with the bell kit as fourth and fifth grade. That is going to be the percussion option. I do want to note that the one instrument that is going to be a different price than the rest will also be the saxophone. It's slightly more expensive. But let's go ahead and say that your student is looking at renting the clarinet. So you're going to click on the clarinet and then hit next. And here's the select rental plan. So they have the 2-month option where $15 is due today, and then it's $29 a month after that, plus the $10 a month of the liability damage waiver. Or there's the 10-month plan that takes you all the way through the end of our school year. And then after that, it's $29 a month plus the $10 a month liability damage waiver. What does that waiver do? Essentially, it's an insurance policy. So you're going to need repairs in the instrument sometime throughout this year. It happens. Students drop an instrument, they break a reed, they break or bend a key if it's a woodwind instrument, they may get a couple dents or dings, and those repairs kind of add up. Okay, you can cancel this at any time, but the really cool thing is that your home insurance plan usually doesn't cover an instrument. So this is just a nice extra policy to have in case your student loses it or it's damaged or totally destroyed. You will be responsible for that if you don't get the limited liability and damage waiver. So it's just an extra peace of mind. So let's go ahead and say we're going to click on the 10-month for $210, hit next. It also asks for you to get the Traditions of Excellence book. This is the book we will be using throughout the year for beginner band, for advanced band, and for percussion. So it's the same for everyone. It's $12.99 each. You'll hit next. Then it gives you a summary, the rental plan, the delivery, instrument, and then school supplies. Hit add to cart. This is where it's going to redirect you to the page where it shows you what's in the cart. It's going to ask for recommendations. Unless you want to get a stand, you don't need to. When you start, you will have 2 reeds with your instrument if you're a clarinet or saxophone. We'll talk about what other reeds you might need to get, maybe some cleaning products that'll happen, but that's not necessary right now. So we can go to checkout. Now it's going to ask you to sign in. You can create an account. I already have one that I use because this is the majority of where I get my supplies. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And who am I shopping for today? I'm going to go ahead and say myself, continue. And here's the really cool stuff. So that's your total of $236.37 that'll be due. Delivery option. It's going to automatically send it to Lafayette Elementary unless you want it delivered or if you want to pick it up at the store. You will not get it any faster, and I prefer that the pickup is at school because that way I can go ahead and show the students how to put the instrument together, put a name tag on it, and take care of all that other fun stuff. That's better to do in here rather than it shipped to your house. And then you would continue payment. And you'd go from there. And then obviously continue review, and you would, take care of it from there. Hopefully this has answered any of your questions. I can also do individual questions, or if you need to do a Teams meeting to go through it, I can as well. But yeah, we're really excited and can't wait to get started on the instruments for you.